I don't have even the time to grieve on my mother and my niece.
Why?
Because I have to fight for my children and their father that's still alive. 7th of October, it was the darkest day in my life. They're coming. I can hear them screaming and shooting. I can hear them in my house. They're breaking everything, destroying everything. I tell Ofer, lock the doors. Terrorists inside the kibbutz. 8:15, Erez tell me, Mom, being quiet. I really love you. Being quiet. And I tell him, I'm crazy on you. Remember, always remember, love of my life. And then, finished. No messages anymore. סטופ לכל הפעילות הצבאית. תגידו, שימו את זה על סדר היום, בראש סדר היום. זאת המטרה היחידה שיש לנו כיום, להוציא ולהציל את הילדים ואת החטופים. I want to tell Hamas, what face you want to be in front of the world? Merciless, cruel? You have the opportunity to show different face, your humanity. I just want to tell my children, I love you so much. I know you're coming back. I'm here, I'm fighting for you, and the whole world is fighting for you to bring you back home.